Session. Anything is there? Don't jump now books. Don't jump in any books. I will start class. I will give whatever notes. Maximum 15 days or maximum 1 month you will feel what I will read little bit confusion. When you will get one collect notes, no, at least one topic will complete, you will get idea. After the notes revision, question practice, then I will in between during class I will tell which type of books if you want to read means read books. First, you know our life first mistake where we did life first mistake. This mistake we did. We are not reading these books till 6th class to 12th class. We did not read that. We left. We enjoyed whatever teacher giving mug update, pass. For any type of competitive exam, no, I will related research, maths, UPSC, just NCRT or your state books, it's telling no some matriculation school and all, state book only reading going on. Sometime you will tell matriculation schools are not good. School is good. Books are good. Their question asking is not good. Their question pattern is not good. Their marking is not good. I can prove your CSIR concept in SCRT book have. Your CSIR concepts, your IIT JAM concept in state book I am telling, NCRT leave it. NCRT is the more high level research level book. NCRT don't think that is the one book publishing house. NCRT is the research center in India. Their scientists are sitting. NCRT books writing books person don't think they are normal school teacher or government school teacher, not like that. Researcher, scientists are wrote these books. We don't know that is. We throw it these books and hey, state book, color also not good, looking also not good, no anything, leave it. Good looking books, that CBSE big, good printing books, white color, red color, very good books. Anyhow, we are not reading books, but liking, good. Sometimes smelling, no, that books smell is very good. Sometimes we are liking. Childhood, that type, childhood memory I am telling. Childhood, when we are child, books reading less, putting in mouth, very good, this color is good, this color is good, this only going on. So first mistake we did this. For that you are fearing still from competitive exam. This is, again you are telling me what books I will read, collect these books. From 6th class to till 12th class NCRT books collect. And one line read first. Start reading. One line. You see, you will feel the IIT JAM CSIR is a very easy exam. We are reading a Riemann integration. Riemann integration, very good, high level concept I can show you in NCRT book. Everything, every concept I can prove, NCRT is the best book for competitive exam. Sometimes some students are real analysis, I will read Goldberg, model algebra, Herstein. What you want to prove to everybody? You are reading foreign author books or keeping in hand foreign author books to make proud. You can't get knowledge from foreign author books. If you have knowledge, then you can get extra knowledge from foreign author books. You can defend that books. What you have knowledge, that knowledge only in that book have. But writing very different way. Sometime this foreign author or even IIT professors are writing books, no, they want that you don't understand my books, that purpose writing, feeling proud. That my books nobody can read. They are not purpose to give you knowledge. Their purpose to make proud. My books nobody can understand. Like that they want to write different words, different statements, different notations. But same books, same concepts, if you will read from some places, you will think this book is best. Why this much over have to write? So this is our first mistake. Whatever I will teach, and you collect this collection books, and you match, you will feel that correctly knowledge going on. GATE exam, more methods I saw in this books available. State book, SCRT books. Even I have one book have Andhra Pradesh state book, SCRT Andhra Pradesh. In that I got more number of concepts for GATE exam. So these books are not writing normal any type of government college, government school teachers. No, researchers are writing. Overmind students are writing these books and all. We are avoiding. Our school management not good. They are asking different question not good. They are making us handicapped. Books not. Yeah, from mind we are handicapped. We have degree but we have no thinking power. We have no knowledge. Then we are handicapped only, no. We are handicapped from mind. But one line, read these books. You see after that, you will think really sir is telling whatever that is correct. Our college, our schools gave only degree. And one fake show off. But background is full of black hole. But really I am telling, keep collection this, 6th class to 12th class. Whenever thinking what books I will read, start from this. If your base are strong, no, in world every books you can read. So whatever I will teach from basic to high level, everything, all theories, each and everything. Question practice and all, exercise books whenever is starting. Books, theories, no need to read. No need to read. Mostly everything I will give. If something I am leaving, that and all not necessary. Reading also no use for you. So whatever I will teach, that theories is make strong, and books reading means direct go exercise. Don't touch also, anybody don't touch competitive exam question paper. GATE, NET, IIT JAM, direct don't choose. You will get frustration. You will think 1 month class complete but I can't solve still CSIR question. No, don't search. First make strong your theories, books catch, books exercise you solve. After that competitive exam question paper. Competitive exam also direct CSIR don't touch. GATE exam question practice, IIT JAM question practice. After that CSIR practice. Slowly how type knowledge will happen, how type experience will happen, then only exam result possible. Otherwise frustration will come, tension will come. Maybe after 6 months my class will over. After that also maybe you will think that I can't solve any question. Too much frustration will come. Too much negative thoughts will come. You will ask with me, sir, 6 months class over but I can't solve question. You will think I can't solve question. Question anytime catching, can't solve means don't come in frustration. Just you think, okay, I need extra time and extra I have to give time in theories. Anytime in life coming, what I will do, still I can't solve question. No anything, go and notes revision do. After notes revision, you have to start discussion with your friends. You have to make groups for discussion, reading, self-study. But stepwise, if you will follow, you won't get frustration. First, suppose matrix theory I will teach. Matrices complete next 20 days. Suppose that. So matrices book you collection to. At least NCERT books you go. NCERT books, you will see 10 class, 12 class books, rank of matrix chapter is there. Huh? We are our 10 class time. Like that we saw a linear equation of 2 variables, linear equation of 3 variables. Like that question we saw, chapters also there. That time we don't know theory. Direct formula put solution. What formula? Comparison method, substituting method, cross multiplication method. Different method have that formula applying and solution. That is our target that time. But theories from that time have, but we are not reading theories. We are seeing book also, where is formula? A teacher giving formula, formula, answer. And 11th class, 12th class maths, if we are finding solution, no, that time we are feeling that I am the Ramanujan. Feeling all students. Why formula have solution? All solution, are integral, are differentiable, everything solution coming. Why formula I have? I am the mathematician. Thinking students, I am seeing. But you know reality of that mathematics? Zero. Whatever formula based you found your maths solution, this meaning you don't know anything. You don't know maths. So hereafter we have to know maths. That we have to read. So just suppose theories I gave. You go your 12th class book, BSc book, whatever books, go chapter and try to find solution by theories. Whatever theory I will give, no by formula. By formulas, no solution. By theories. Okay, this is the question. This question, what is the possibilities for name? What is the possibilities of theories? What is the name of this question? How used? This theory how came? Question first came or theory first came? Understanding? So stepwise you go, then you will feel better. Otherwise frustration will come. Don't touch any type of competitive exam questions now. Even now not. After my class, after 1 month also. Whenever any topic finishing, suppose matrix finish, go books first. Books chapter, question practice, minimum. I am not telling question, exercise, all finish. No. Suppose in your exercise, 20 question have no, 10 question minimum finish. Just for practice, just for your mind development I am telling. Just for mind development. Only for mind develop will happen. 20 question coming, 10 question you solve. Again suppose real analysis complete. Real analysis complete means that is 2-3 months will take. Suppose any chapter finish, suppose infinite series complete. So infinite series chapter go and suppose 20 question have means 10 question minimum practice. Means 50% every chapter exercise question practice, your mind will be fast. After that competitive exam questions. GATE, also direct CSR don't touch, GATE exam. GATE exam also you will see 10 question have every year. So 10 question, 1 question already I solved. After this much hard work, out of 10 question, only 1 question only you can solve. Also maybe 2-3 hours or full day you gave, then you solved 1 question. But don't come in frustration. That you started. That is your first success. 1 question I solved. You see, day by day practice will do. Out of 10 question, one day will come 8 question you can solve. That 2 question leave it. That 2 question maybe till last you can't solve. But don't come in frustration. 2 question I can't solve still. Then I am not reading. No, 8 question solution you got. That live in positive way and that think I got success. Whenever you will feel every 10 question, 8 question I am solving, GATE exam, JAM exam, CSR exam, that day your result 100% confirm. That day your result 100% confirm. So wait for that day. From first day don't expect anything. Don't think for result. Your hard work will decide your result. Maximum number of students I am seeing when I am teaching. From where you came, that is different. This is different. When I will teach maximum, you can't understand maybe. But don't come in frustration. At least notes write, at least notes. Because I have to teach everything. I can't wait for you. I am with you till your result. More number of students, 2 time class taking. Minimum. Either JAM or BS, CSIR, 2 times. They are feeling I am not understanding. Second time I will understand. And this is happening. I saw more number of students. First time when I am teaching nothing understanding, but I am telling write notes actually. Don't think any negatives. Don't escape from here. But this is very different. First 6 months you will think that notes have, but I am not understood anything. But second time I am telling sit in again in class. But second time when I am seeing, you are thinking that 6 months nothing I understood. But that 6 months you sitting, writing notes, more things went inside you, more things that you can't understand what went inside me. But when second time sitting, know that student, from first day giving answer. How? From first day, how giving answer? They can't open their mouth on that 6 months. But second time when class is starting, from first day they are giving answer, automatic answer coming. You are thinking that 6 months nothing I understood, but second time how answer coming from your mouth. So no need to worry. Properly read, properly write notes, try to understand. Not understanding, ask with me, but don't come in frustration. Till your result I am with you. I told no, take oath. Without result I am not going to leave KMS. This oath take enough, and not like that without means oath I will take means 5 years, 10 years I have to give here. I won't keep you 5 years. I will say I can't keep you, go from here. Because I am getting bored hereafter from you. I don't like to see you hereafter. Meaning your result very soon will happen. This is not possible. 5 years you are staying here. But oath taking means one promise will happen yourself, and that result possibility have soon will come. Maximum I saw 2 years all result gave. Dull students. 2 years result gave and went. This boy, I will tell 6 months when I gave class to him, he is very dull. He can't give answer. He can't tell. What is the problem? Can't tell. What he is with him going on, that he can't understand. He can't understand I am understanding or not. Second time class gave. Second time class he became good, very good. But 2 years he did hard work. That hard work is, I can give example. Mad type he did. And every time whenever exam coming, can't qualify, sir I am going, sir I am going, sir I am going. I won't allow to go you. You have to give result only, you will go. It's from Tiruvannamalai. 2 years he gave time. He qualified all India rank 135 in JRF. After that, he told I am going. I told hereafter you have to go PhD from IIT. Again I won't allow to go home. Because home going means you can't do. Live here extra 1 year or 6 months. You settle in IIT or good institute in India, then you go home, anything do I won't allow. I won't tell to stay here. He did 1 year preparation. He gave interviews and all, IIT, triple IT interview and all gave. IIT selection not happened, but triple IT last he got selection. Now he is doing PhD from triple IT, Kanchipuram. But he don't like to go there. He told, no sir, again I will think preparation and I will try IIT Madras. Like I told, hereafter I don't like your face. I am getting bored after seeing you. Because I saw 1 year he was giving preparation here, he is getting bored to stay. He is getting frustration. I told, hereafter you will stay means you will get frustration. You settled there, you try from there. Triple IT is not, you can't tell that low from IIT. No. All are national institute, international institute. They opened just before 15 years. So you will compare that IIT is the best compared to triple IT. This type don't compare. From there you try to jump again. In life, when one good platform coming, no, don't miss that. Join must. From there you jump again, that is different. But year after you will sit, no, next year triple IT also can't get. Because you are getting bored, frustration, tension. Knowledge is sitting, what will happen? Knowledge. But now he is very happy, PhD doing from triple IT, enjoying, good scholarship coming, no tension. Triple IT professors are from CMI, from Calcutta University, ISI. They did PhD from ISI, Calcutta, CMI. Eh? If they will think, I don't want to become professor in triple IT, then what will happen? They will sit in home only, no then. Then how you can think like this? All our international institutes has value. Do hard work, go there, you jump from there and extra. But don't miss that chance in life. So every results we have some history. Without history not possible. Results always making history only. So your hard work will make history. So read from basic. We will follow more concepts and all. And don't think in mind, I don't know anything, what will happen. Negative don't go. We will teach from basic. We will read everything, whatever we need for our success. And we will do more and more hard work. Which students are regular batch joining? They have to come class also, and after class for reading also here. Hostel students, everybody. Regular batch student class will happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days class. Morning 10:30 to till evening 5 o'clock class. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday no class for regular batch. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday 3 days you have to come here for self-study, discussion, doubt class, confusion class, everything. No need to stay in hostel or home. Sunday if you want rest, you can stay in your hostel, take rest. Rest means no full rest. Have to read in hostel also. Just one day for your personal work. And again start from Monday. Weekend batch student, JAM student also, CSIR student also, whatever Saturday, Sunday class have, must have to come. JAM student must have to come here for after your college. This and all, minimum 1 month I can give rest to you. Thursday, Friday not coming also no problem, because we need for study some collection. Now you have no collection, so minimum 1 month will take for making collection of notes. So 1 month no problem, Thursday, Friday coming also no problem. But after 1 month you have to become serious. So even for JAM student, CSI student, weekend based Saturday, Sunday must follow. Regular day after your college or before your college you have to come for reading here. Suppose your college afternoon have, in morning come 9 o'clock to till 1 o'clock. If your college morning have, then after college come. If your home is more distance have, then you read in your home. Online students, you have to read in your home. Any doubts class, anything have, collect your doubts and tell me. Online time I will give and I can clear your doubts. Okay. So this is my everything finished. Okay. We will see our topic. Time have half an hour. We will see our topic and all. Any other questions? Anything? Huh? Huh. Actually like that happened with me, more tragedy like that. When I was in my self-study or when I was childhood, I can tell in childhood, from childhood I did my self-study only. From 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 4th class. I have remember from 4th class my life. When I'm in 4th class from that time. Before that I also don't know what I did. But from 4th class I have remember what and all I did in education. Even our life is very struggle, money problem, poorness more is there. So we are by hard work reaching, doing. Never I taken proper class or tuition or coaching center, never. By my friend circle pressure, I joined one when I'm in graduation BSc mathematics honors. Actually, uh, one another history I will tell you. I am very good in physics, not in maths. My maths is very bad. Maths came good from BSc. I don't like this formula based concepts. Even in our 11th class, 12th class, I was getting tension why this maths formula have to mug up and have to find solution. My mind always thinking theories. How came this is? How? But 11th class, 12th class, even 10th class maths I don't like because of this. Formula, solution, formula, solution. How came this question? How came this solution? But no details are there properly. Even I tried from more books and all, but nobody is giving clearly concepts. Anyhow, I don't like that time this maths and all. I thought I will take BSc Physics. Me and one friend, Physics honors. Uh, Physics will be the main paper. We went for admission also. We applied also Physics, but in our that area is can tell when our area is on area and village area. Just 2-3 college are there, but just they are by name college. Professor are there, but that much not good class or anything. No laboratory is there, and my mind always thinking research. I thought that physics I will take, but without laboratory I can't do anything in physics also. I did more analysis about 2-3 colleges, but no laboratory is there. Physics department is there, but no laboratory is there. The what is this? I am leaving maths also, physics also without laboratory. Physics and all very good I did in my 11th class, 12th class. Out of 200, 135 marks I have. More optics, glass, lens, everything I did. In our my 11th class, 12th class, more hard work did compared to maths. Maths even I have 50 marks maybe, 50% marks. Not 60% marks also I have out of 200. I think 100 marks I have out of 200. Not 120 also crossed. I don't like this maths. But I went for physics, admission applied. Then I thought that here laboratory not have. What is this? What is this college? I told to teacher also, what sir, how I will research in maths, in physics without laboratory, how possible? Are no problem, no problem, we can do it, we will read by books. Well, I can't do it. Then more analysis did, 1 month analysis did. I told to my friend that I want to change, I will do maths. And maths, I got motivation from BSc only. I liking from BSc maths. I started analysis, one thing I started analysis, that physics and maths, what is the difference? Physics need laboratory must. We can't do ourselves. We need chemicals, we need something laboratory experiments. That I am not getting. This is confirm and never I will get. Maths, I told maths, if taking means for maths laboratory need, no. I did more analysis. 1 month, 2 months after the cancel, I did my BSc. I taken admission in maths. Maths I saw, for mathematicians, our mind is the laboratory. No need any laboratory room. Our mind is the laboratory. I started analysis, BSc books, I went bookstore, and that time old bookstore is there more. Old books only I purchased and I read. I started analysis, books and all I saw books and I got more happy. Tripti telling us Santosam, that time. All theories. I got more happy. This only I want. Till 12th class only formula. What is this? Even integration we are doing, the integration x dx. What we are writing, x square by 2 plus c. Always thinking this c, why keeping? I don't want this c. Even 12th class also my question. But nobody is giving answer properly. Somebody telling differentiate will do this, c, 0 will happen. Arey, why have to give and why have to differentiate? And why have to tell 0 will happen? So I have more questions from my childhood related maths. But I don't like because of formula based. When I saw BSc books and all, modern algebra only theories, real analysis only theories, matrix linear theories, I told maths I will take. I don't know maths, but maths I can become good by these theories. Theory only I want. And you can't believe one line, one word I started for reading. I was enjoying maths from BSc first year. And I fixed, my mind is the laboratory, I can think. Every time I am thinking maths. And I taken cancel PhD, I taken admission. My friend told no physics, anything hereafter. I have no interest in education. I will do bank exam preparation and all. I told no, I want to do research like